Kasha, Kasha. You think you're good, you think you can rap, but you can't. You're looking off a paper, you wrote it all down. Come up with it off your head. You know you can't rap when you're looking at a paper. What's that? It's crap. Yeah, it's crap. Yeah, I'm better at rapping. I'm gonna win the battle. You know you're bad when you look at a paper. You know you're bad when you rap about mittens and kittens and ninjas. I know I'm a ninja. I'm good at ninja, and you're not. So ninja. You think you're cool. You think you're good. You're really not. You're really not. You're really not. I'm good at rapping, and you're not. Sometimes I wonder, why am I rapping right now? I already know I'm better than you, and I don't have to have a rap battle to prove it. It's true. I know I'm good. I know I'm good. I rapped about it in my last song. You know I'm good. You know I'm better. You're just trying to beat me. You're not. I'm good. You're not. Just a forewarning, I'm better at rapping. I can rap and you can't, so don't crap. You heard this rap battle, it's been going on for just 2 days. Today's the 2nd day. And now I'm thinking about the tree over there. It's kinda like green. No, yeah, whatever. I know I'm good at rapping. You know you're good, but you're not, so just stop. I'm gonna win this rap battle. I know I will, cause I'm good. It's happy hour, half filled. Yeah. Your name is Kasha. Cash, like money. Flow, you're not that good. Go home. Yeah. Just go home. You're not that good at rapping. Just go home. I know. Cause I know. Yep, I know. I'm trying to think of words to say. Don't know the real lyrics. It's the day of the test. You're struggling on the pre-test. You can't even pass to the post-test. You're still on the pre-test. It's a test. It's a test to pass. If you win the rap, I know I'm better at rapping. Yeah. Listen to the beat. I listen to you weep. You're sad that you're losing, but it's okay. I don't know. I wouldn't know what losing feels like. That's just how good I am. I know I'm gonna be famous one day. You don't have to tell me. It's okay. Okay, deuces.